Hi, welcome to ClickMyProject. Let's go to demo of system. The project title is Decentralized Cloud Firewall Framework with Resources Provisioning Cost Optimization. The main objective of this project is cloud computing is a new flexible approach for providing higher computational power in shared medium. It provides the distributed model based on self-evaluating techniques to improve the processing capabilities of the system with lesser managerial concerns. It is made up of client, application, platform, servers, and infrastructures. We propose a decentralized cloud firewall framework. The cloud firewall is offered by cloud service providers and placed at access points between cloud data center and the internet. This is a flow of system. First, we go to cloud login page. In this login page, the person is already existing account in cloud means that person give an ID and password. If the ID is valid means they go to activate the firewall authentication, because the firewall authentication is the optional. The firewall, some of the users maybe activate the firewall and somebody doesn't activate the firewall. In cloud account, which person is activate the firewall, that users services will give very frequently, and the quality of services also improve using this firewall, because the firewall is clear the network traffics and block the viruses and untrusted files and untrusted enquiry IP address also. So the cloud firewall is very must, but somebody cloud users does not activate the firewall. So which is activate firewall, that goes to cloud service. Cloud service is IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, I mean infrastructure service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In here we store the file transfer, file storage in real cloud. So which person in this real cloud, we go to transfer the file dynamically. In which person activate the firewall, that users authentication using that firewall authentication, the person's file have stored in real cloud. Otherwise, that person's which person does not activate the firewall, that person's services or request has denied by the cloud server. So in this way, the cloud firewall will safety the cloud server. Next, we go to demo of system. Now the project is well started. Here we click the start button and we can see the cloud gateway window. Here the two way of entering. That cloud admin person will go through this admin login page. Here the admin have a unique ID and password for control their accounts. So if the ID and password is fill and authenticate means they go to the admin page. They have shown the admin page. Okay, they have verified the admin cloud users who is have a cloud account in their cloud. The firewall cloud user means who activate the firewall. Here the single user have two entries, so they have delete the unlock the authentications. So which person has a duplicate entry, they go to the admin will delete their account. So again we check means the person's firewall authentications will block from the cloud firewall account. Okay. Next we go to cloud user. The cloud user page will gateway of the cloud users. If the users will already having a cloud account, means they must give their account detail in this login page. Elysium technology. Okay. The ID and password must given proper, otherwise they didn't get the cloud service. So the ID and password, if it correct means we will go to the user firewall settings. Here the firewall on or off condition, because the firewall settings is optional. So the person is firewall settings they have to disable means the servers will indicate the firewall settings status. If the person does not activate the firewall means the server will indicate the firewall activation warning button. So if the users get the file storage in real cloud means they didn't get the firewall account. The person does not store their data and files in real cloud, so they should activate the firewall in cloud, because the cloud always be secure. So doesn't the firewall account, they cannot allow the cloud service, that they cannot give the cloud service. So the person must give their ID here. They choose the cloud type, public or private. This is the private cloud means they send the request to the cloud users. So the person's ID is given, the ID is not proper mean they cannot create the cloud account. So the person must enter the give the ID is proper, and only they can go to the firewall. They can get the firewall activations. If we give the ID is proper, the firewall account will create here. The Elysium's firewall account is 171. So this is the key of the password of the firewall account. So using without this firewall ID, we cannot transfer or get the cloud service from the cloud account, from the cloud. So we must give we should give a proper ID. So if the ID is not on the ticket mail, we cannot use the cloud service. So the firewall ID we must give it proper. Then only we can download our store our files in real cloud. This is the file content. The file size also given 49 KBs. We have upload our files and data in real cloud. If we check our real cloud, real cloud account can show the file. This file is stored using our project. So in this way we can store our data and files in real cloud using the CloudMate tool. by our projects. This is a real-time CloudMe web page. Already we need an account here. So using this create account username and password in our project, we store the file using our Java project. So here the file is 1.txt. Already we upload using our project. Then finally we have run the project. The 1.txt we will store dynamically from run the project, then upload in CloudMe. This is the online CloudMe storage. Thank you for watching.